Alrighty, and now I'm going to start taking it apart, okay? So let's see. That part comes off. Right there. I'll put it together afterwards. And then this part comes out. And this right here is a little box that comes out. So there's the box. And then this part comes off. I'll put this over here. And then this comes over here. And then this comes to spin out. That's not working so great yet, but I'm still refining that. We'll figure it out. But
that is so cool.
It actually could spin out when I have this thing. As soon as I have the other piece out, I can start spinning it out like that if I need to. But this allowed that to spin out by taking this part off. So anyway, let me put everything back together. Oops. Oops. Here's the going first. That should have gone on first before I did that, so that's good to know. Anyway, there we go. Okay, thank you.